guys, welcome to Yundel channel again. This is Yundel sharing with you some thoughts for today about my life journey. So guys, how are you today? I am here out of the woods again. See the beauty of the snow, guys. This is a God-given nature. It's so nice. But it's cold. Yes, it's cold, but it's okay. Guys, today I want to talk about how to see new path in life. How to see new path in life, guys. Have you ever think it, guys, how you can see new path in life? I am thinking about it, guys, as I work here in the woods, contemplating, thinking about life. What I really want. I know what I want. It's just so difficult to reach it because of some reason. Again, there is reason in everything. How to see new path in life is about communication with our loved ones, our friends, and our family who knows better than anyone. You are you. You are unique in your own special way. You have the people who love around you. Make use of it, guys. Talk to them. To see new path in life, we must learn to be mindful. Everything starts from loving yourself, because love is a very powerful thing, and love can motivate us in everything we want to do in our life. How to see new path in life, guys? Try to do the journaling. You have to journal. You have to write it down what you want in life. Why? Because it is very important, guys, that everything you are thinking, everything you want in your life is being documented. Why? That is very important, and it helps ourselves to be more aware, to be more mindful in seeing new path in life. Sometimes we are stuck. Yes, I did that too. We are stuck because we don't know where we are going. We don't know what to do. Guys, be open to your family and loved ones. It is very important that we can talk to them. Because if they really love you, guys, they are going to advise you. They're going to guide you as well. But remember, guys, at the end of the day, it is your life. You are all alone with your life. Yes, we have family and friends. But at the end of the day, guys, you are the one who will make decisions. You are the one who is going to face the problems, the trials, the challenges in this life journey. So therefore, guys, how to see new path in life? Start by journaling. Why journaling? Because you are going to document it to something, and you are aware it can help you to move forward. It will guide you to the next step, to the next journey you have in life. Remember, guys, can you think about it? When we are going abroad, when we travel, there's always documents. We need the passport, we need the papers, and those Filipinos who are married, they must have the marriage contract so they can have their visa going to their husbands abroad. That is documents, guys. That is written in black and white. And again, that is very powerful because those documents are helping you to go to your wife, to go to your husband abroad. The visa, the passport is a document who you are to go abroad, right? So it is also about life, guys. It is the same. How to see new path in life. It is important to journal, to write it, to have a document of yourself, what you want, where you want to go, what is your dream, what is your plans in life. So just imagine, guys, traveling with a lot of documents. You are going to do that as well with your daily life. Many of us are not doing it, especially in the Philippines. I don't know, because of the culture or because of the mindset. But guys, I must tell you, after living here in Norway for 30 years, I am not totally Filipina. I am not totally Norwegian either. I am in the middle. I cannot forget that I am a Filipina. I have my own culture. I can still remember. But as I live here, I cannot just be a Filipina all the time. I must mingle the Norwegian. I must talk with the Norwegian. I must be there for them to learn to adjust myself in this cold country. Norway is a very cold country, and guys, believe me, Norwegians are very cold people. They are good friends. When you become a friend with a Norwegian, yes, they are good friends. But don't destroy the trust. Because when the trust is destroyed, there is nothing more to work out. So guys, learning to see new path in life is also about learning yourself to relax, set goals, read books, and take care of yourself. Yes, we must learn to take care of ourselves. Guys, why relax? Relax because when you are relaxed, you can think clearly. You can really think clearly when you are relaxed. Like me here in the woods, walking, looking on the trees with snow. Yes, I am here. Somebody earlier today that in the Philippines, it's so hot and warm. But I am here in the other side of the world, cold as a freezer. So guys, relax so you can open up your minds for new thoughts. Set goals. Again, all these things, guys, needed to be written, needed to be in a journal so you can document what you are planning in your life. As I go this road, guys, it's just like I'm walking towards my life journey. So guys, learn to set goals. When you are setting your goals, you must write it down because journaling is very, very powerful. Guys, it's very important. We must inquire knowledge. Knowledge is very powerful as well. Read books. You cannot just say, I cannot afford to go to school. No. Read books. The internet, the YouTube is a global university. There's a lot of things to learn from YT, as what we call it. YouTube is a global marketplace, and at the same time, YouTube is a global university. There's a lot of things you can learn in YouTube, guys. Educate yourself. That is also making new path in our life. And important, guys, when all said and done, written, affirming all these things for your life, how to see new path in life, you must be aware that you must hold ourselves accountable. Be open-minded to be receptive what is going on around you, because having a close-minded mind, it doesn't help us at all when we are looking for new path in life. how to see the new path in life always begins with your own thoughts. And all these things can be compound, building it together with your knowledge, finding your desire, putting your wish into actions. So guys, again, this is my share with you today. Remember to relax because stress doesn't help us at all. It says here, when you keep on stressing, it blocks all the possibilities in our life. So, there it is. Relax. When you are so stressed, try to relax anyway. That is the secret. And again, it's like traveling. We need a visa, we need the documents, we need it so we can go where we want to go. It is the same to see new path in life. Document it by journaling. Journal is very important when we want to go forward with our life. Again guys, this is Yundel. I hope you like my message. I am not a therapist nor a teacher or advisor. I'm just sharing with you from my reading, from my life experience in order to move forward. Life is amazing guys, but you are the one who can make it amazing. Learn to see new path in life. Again, this is Yundel. I love you so much and I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye and I love you all.